So even while both of you were working at Chitale's office, Varna, you started doing your own projects independently as well.
Yeah, I did get some good, projects. So I got this ITC guest house to do.
Okay.
It was one
a
of
lucky break. Nice.
lucky-
Yeah,
it was
somebody
a
known
very
to
nice
us.
break in boat club.
Yeah.
And so it was one of our very close family relatives,
Who put it
and who
together?
put me to. He was in ITC, so he said,
Okay.
"Why don't you come and do this for us?" So
Right.
it was a nice break, and it took me it got me independent of what I was doing in the office, and some more freedom to take decisions and do that. So that kind of gave me a taste of how it would be when you're on your own.
Yeah.
So
And then this was, you worked at his office for 3 years, right?
3 years, yeah.
Yeah.
Just till the time I think we got married.
Right.
So that was
Yeah.
like 92.
Right.
Yeah,
So
so
around
we got
married, we were working
engaged
there. Engaged there, we got married
got
there.
married,
And then
we were still working.
in a few
with
months, I think I moved out first, or she moved out first, and then I also moved out.
Yeah.
I took up another assignment with another firm, but that was very, very short-lived.
Sure.
By then, we sort of got our, one of our first bigger assignments, though she did this
Right.
guest house on her own.
And this was from
My
the
yeah,
same uncle.
I correct. Same uncle who pushed me push me into a
Yeah.
job immediately after returning.
Right.
He was the one.
With this, you also did Rajan.
Yeah, we did a house that was
Very nice
that came
house,
up.
Yeah.
It was a small beach house,
Right.
which her friend's father-in-law wanted. He was a leading dental surgeon and all that.
Yeah.
So we did their house, and that was kind of probably my first commission as an
Okay.
architect in Chennai.
Right.
After that, this project was probably what made us jump into our own practice.
Right.
When our uncle came up with, his company was setting up an office, small one, but it was big at that time.
Yeah.
And he approached me because I was his nephew.
Yeah.
And then I said, oh, but I'm working in this firm. And he said, look, I'm not saying that you work there and do this also. But
Yeah.
this is the opportunity I'm giving you, and you must take opportunities when they come your way.
Yeah.
And look at your age, you can do anything today, bend backwards, which you may find it very difficult once you set up and sort of have a family and responsibilities.
Right.
It will be that much more difficult to take the plunge. So then he
Yeah.
just did a small calculation, back of the envelope thing. Okay, this is the project, this much will be your fee, this is the time duration. So you see, this is what you will earn per month. How much are you earning as salary? Actually, we were earning less. Okay, as a salaried income.
Those days the salaries
That
were
was very, very low. Yeah.
Now
Very
it's
low,
much better, but
So,
those days.
and then I said, oh, I didn't know. I didn't know we could earn that much. I mean, or it could come out break that way. And
Yeah.
he said, besides, once you are on your own, it's not that you're only going to do my firm's, my company's corporate office, architecture and interiors.
Sure.
You will also have the freedom and the opportunity to go and meet other clients, and you can,
Start building
yeah,
your
you
own
can
practice.
build your own network and start your own way.
Yeah.
So that thought really clicked to not only me, to her also.
Right.
And within a month we were on our own. I quit the job. Our son was also just born.
Wow.
But all these things didn't deter us. Okay, son is there. We are also in our late 20s only, 27, 28.
Right.
And even he was there in the midst of all this. And we
Right.
said we are starting, and we had a 2-bedroom flat.
Including your son, it was a 3-person firm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2-bedroom, 2 BHK. 1 bedroom was our 2-3 drafting tables. We had one draftsman, one person
Yeah.
come along.
So we used to draft. We used to do
Yeah,
all
yeah,
everything.
everything.
Even
I used
me
to-
and we had a
Yeah.
colleague who
Yeah.
joined us, and she also used to draft.
My dad had left behind a brother, a typewriter.
Yeah.
So I used to have a 1+1 with a carbon paper and one finger typing.
Okay.
We had no telephones. Imagine in 92,
Yeah.
in Chennai, it was so hard to get a telephone, a landline.
Right.
Forget pagers and mobile.
Yeah.
And my dad paid 30,000 rupees Tatkal, and still we got the phone after 3 months. And that phone was like one big thing in the house. Okay. Yeah, it was like that, and hello and all. Good fun, yeah. 92. Before we got the phone, we used to go to that
Yeah.
PCO booth.
PCOs
Make a
were
list.
very
Yeah. And I'll
popular
get into the
those
booth, I'll start talking, and she'll be knocking from, come on, it's my turn to go. And
I'm pretty sure most of the people watching this will not know what a PCO booth
Yeah,
is.
exactly.
God, you know, we've spent so much time standing in that queue around that PCO and
Yeah.
that sweaty room. But we have done business like that, you know.
Right.
Yeah, of
But
course.
that's probably the time when you guys you probably didn't have much help and you were doing
Yeah,
everything.
Everything.
so that's when my son came
Yeah.
into our lives. So both, like we would take turns then. Earlier we used to go together to the PCO and he would take his thing.
Right.
And then I would be at home and he would go, and then when he would come back I would go
Right.
and make my calls.
Yeah, that
And then
kind of-
we would do everything, like from
Yeah.
typing our paperwork, all our term letters and things, everything.
All kinds of communication, everything.
Whether it is a office boy job or it was a
I used to type out the bill of
accounts,
quantities,
all the
specifications, all the kind of
specifications,
things, you
all
know.
the POQs,
Yeah,
everything
of course,
was
I
done.
did get a lot of, help, or in the sense like I learned it all in Chitle's office, and I
Yeah.
watched, other than just architecture, you watch how the administration works. I got to
Correct.
see all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you know, Chitle's office taught me a lot of those things and how an office runs, because I worked only in the Gulf before that.
Right.
So, Chitle's office firm was the only firm I have worked in India. So, I sort of, modeled a lot of my things at that time, which, started off, how do you prepare tenders and
Right.
how do you write out the, BOQ documents. So a lot of that kind of a founding happened there, and which I continued on our
Yeah, the
own.
practicalities of running the business.
Yeah.
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
Which I'm sure they don't really teach that in
Correct.
any.
No architecture school. No.
Yeah, and it's the same with photography as well.
I must confess that in our course I think there is a subject in one semester called professional practice.
Okay.
But in architecture, theory subjects are theory subjects only. I mean, you go and you attend and you just write the exam.
No, but
And was
not-
it an elective or was it part?
No, it was a part of the
No,
course.
but
part of
these
the
things you can't learn in theory.
Yes,
That's
you
true,
can't.
These things you have to learn on the job, and you get it practically
Yeah.
when you
Yeah.
learn.
Like code of
everything.
conduct, all these kinds of things were taught as a subject for us.
You can learn all the theory you want, but when you get out, it's
Yeah,
totally
you have to.
different.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
So I think not only like your design, focusing only on the design, you should actually learn everything and keep your eyes on things that are around you.
right.
So that's what I think.
One of the bigger learnings
things.
of that
Yeah,
time,
yeah, yeah.
And apart from that, it would be also when you start off, you don't always get the biggest project.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, absolutely.
Of
I
course,
think
of
we've
course.
done every
Yeah,
project.
that's
that
probably
came our
another
way.
advice we
Yeah.
should give
Yeah.
youngsters
Yeah,
today.
yeah.
That whatever opportunity comes your way, you
Yeah.
need to take it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Take it with both hands,